So let's take a look at gold for the next day, that is for the 3rd of March. To those that are yet to subscribe, please do that. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So this is kind of like a correction we are seeing on our gold. So one thing we'll be expecting next is another drop on this gold. You can see that this correction has been made. It has broken above our 10 period simple moving average. It has already come to tap our 20 period. So I expect a rejection from this. So gold should actually give us that drop. So that is what I'm watching out for. But the problem is that are we going to be having that drop on this Friday? Well, I don't think so. I don't think there would be much movement on this gold on Friday. Then if there we manage to get that movement, it is still fine. So I think this drop will continue to next week. So I'm expecting a drop down to 1800 and it's 1790. So that is the two level I am expecting gold to hit. Once it can get to a level of 1800, the next level I'll be watching out for on gold is 1790. So Friday, I don't think there would be much movement. And if there will be any movement, I think we should kind of see that drop. As we can see here on this Thursday, you kind of like call it a pin bar or whatever you want to see it. So which is on Friday, I expect same thing movements, more same movements, kind of like price to actually push up a bit, then you actually find a rejection. So like I said, I don't really expect much movement. And if price eventually give us that movement, then we have to go ahead and trade it. In the long run, we have to sell and hit a level of 1800. This continuous sell movement will continue till next week. So have that in mind. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in the comment section. I want you to actually give it a try. Sign up, become one of our Patreon members, so you'll be able to get high probability trade. I intend to put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning trade. So that is what I'll be putting. If you are interested, sign up. The link will be in the comment section.